Good evening. You are most welcome in Dr. Sourav sir classes. And today we will discuss the question of CSIR NET Chemical Science. And heading of the question is the biosynthesis. What is the question? Question is the correct sequence of steps involved in the biosynthesis of alpha pinene from lean allyl phosphopyrophosphate is given a reaction. In this reaction, biosynthesis is going on. Biosynthesis is going on and formation of the alpha pinene. Alpha pinene is a terpenoid and obtained from a plant or tree. This is a plant terpenoids and use of this pinene, alpha pinene in the fragrances purposes like in the medical science and food chemistry as well as the perfumes and etc. Right now, during the reaction, the six-membered ring, it is a six-membered ring formation, formation with loss of pyrophosphate. In this reaction, loss of the pyrophosphate is a leaving group attached with allyl pyrophosphate and four-membered ring formation, and also formation of the four-membered ring with the loss of H plus ion. So what will be the sequence of this process? And there are the three options A, B, C according to this. First, six-membered formation, ring formation with loss of pyrophosphate, and second option is the four-membered ring formation, and third option is the loss of H plus ion. So in this question, we have to find out the sequence of the ABC. According to the ABC, option is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means sequence like the ABC or ACB or BCA. Right? So now solve this question with the help of the key concept. Now solve the solution like that. First we have to recognize the reaction. And this is a type of the reaction. It is a terpenes biosynthesis. Reaction, and in this reaction some key concepts. Number one is the if the terpene biosynthesis is going on via ionization, that means loss of pyrophosphate. Second one is the carbocation cyclization. Carbocation cyclization. And number third concept is the rearrangement. That means further ring formation. It is going on in this reaction. Further ring formation. And last one is the deprotonation. Deprotonation. That is the loss of H plus ion. So now start the reaction mechanism in the first step. What is going on in the first step? The loss of pyrophosphate. Loss of pyrophosphate is going on as per our key concept. Loss of pyrophosphate because of lean allyl pyrophosphate contains a good living group. OPP contains a good living group, right? it is present in this reactant. In this reactant, it is a pyrophosphate and has a leaving group, right? So it proves that the loss of pyrophosphate when it leaves carbocation forms, when it leaves carbocation forms, carbocations forms जब ये लीव होता है, निकलता है, तो किसका फॉर्मेशन होता है? कार्बोकेटाइंस का फॉर्मेशन होता है. व्हेन द कार्बोकेटाइंस फॉर्म साइमल्टेनियसली किसका फॉर्मेशन होता है? साइकिल का फॉर्मेशन होता है. डेट मीन्स द cyclization occurs. That means cyclization occurs as per the our key concept. Here the first cyclization formation of the six membered ring, formation of the six membered ring is going on in this reaction. Here the first cyclization form the six membered ring. That means six membered ring formation with loss of OPP, inorganic pyrophosphate, represented by the OPP. It is this correspond to the step number 1, right? In the given option. And then biosynthesis logic, cyclization process due to the presence of the OPP, inorganic pyrophosphate leaving group in the reactant and generating the highly reactive allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocations and carbocations. These carbocations fold and attacks intramolecular double bond and producing the ring. Right? That is the again formation of the four membered ring. Again formation of the four membered ring, and name of this ring is the phenyl carbocation, right? And four membered ring formation correspond to the step B, in the question. Four membered ring, it is also proved that. And now third one is the loss of the H plus ion, that is the deprotonation. The two convert the carbocation. This carbocation convert into the alkene of alpha. This carbocation convert into the alkene of alpha pinene. The system undergoes loss of H plus ion. This restored the double bond. This restored the double bond in the ring, and final step is the loss of H plus ion and correspond to the step number C, right? So step number B, four membered ring formation. Step number 1, six membered ring formation. That is the loss of the OPP leaving group, and last one is the loss of the H plus ion. So what will be the sequence? The sequence is what will be the sequence in the reaction? The given sequence is the right in this reaction. That means A and 2, B and 2, C. It is the right sequence for the formation of alpha pinene. A, B, C. Option number 1 is right. A, B, C. Now match this sequence in given option. The given option is A, B, C matched with our answer. That means option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number 1 is the correct answer, right? And a trick for the biosynthesis of the terpenes is very useful for this type of the question. Sequence is fixed. First, always leaving group departure. Second is the ring formation. Third is the second cyclization, that means rearrangement. And fourth one is the loss of the proton. A, B, C. You can solve this type of question following the sequence. Okay, thank you.